Alrighty, what is up, you guys? So I'm going to try to install the bumper part myself right now without the other frame brackets. Just the so I took off the grill. I'm about to put the bumper. I'm gonna try to use the same frame brackets and the same support arms right here on the sides. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna try to just do that and see how it lines up. Hopefully I get it lined up really good. Boom, boom, boom. Part 2. Bumper is in. I'm gonna take it out again because I want to paint it, and then I have to reinforce it as well with some. I'm gonna put some holes into the frame and then bolt those down. Make sure it is super stiff and secure. Not gonna fall off on the freeway. Yeah, I did it myself here at home. I couldn't show you guys how because I was just trying different things and trying to do this, trying to do that, and I finally ended up doing it the right way, and I put everything in. But I'll show you guys what I did once I take it out, so I can make the holes and then paint it. I'm probably just gonna plastic dip it for now because I don't want to do too much. Oh, come here, Papa. He wants to come with Dad. He wants to come with Dad. Ugh. Yeah, see, it's hard building projects and being a dad. Nah, it's not too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. My wife was helping me. Yeah. Which one's sexier? I think that one. I'm just kidding. My little baby. So yeah, I'll show you guys once my son wants to go back inside. What is up, everybody? So it is the next day and I got the front end on. Let me know how it looks. I think it looks clean. Finally the finished product. Door open by itself. Whoa. The finished product next is C-notch on the back with flip kit and some spindles. So yeah, you guys, sorry about not being able to show you guys. But basically what I did, I put some holes in the old brackets right here and just sat it on there, and it's sturdy. Look, it ain't going nowhere. And I used the new support brackets, so you would need new support brackets. And yeah, it came out really nice. I like how it came out. Let me know what you guys think, yay or nay. Should I kept it stock, or should you guys like the new look? Next is gonna be the back C-notch. Flip kit and spindles. I already told you guys just right now. There's the old front end. Trash. Nah, I'm probably gonna sell it or give it away or something. La marca de la troca dicen que tú nadie encierra. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share the video if you can. If you can't, okay, but show some love. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I think I already have an idea of the next video. I think I'm gonna do cluster lights. So changing the cluster lights to like a red or blue or green, white, whatever, because I want a newer look, a nicer look on this truck too. But yeah, maybe the steering wheel later down the road, the whole dashboard, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm trying to get at least to 200 subscribers before the end of next month. So the beginning of the March, try to get to 200 subscribers, maybe more, so you never know. Make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. Peace.